Hey everyone, what's going on? Somebody tell me what happened. What was really going on in 1619? Okay. Just want to start making more videos to put on my YouTube page. I am just walking from the corner store. Want to play my lottery numbers. As you know, I want to hit big before I reach back to Jamaica at the end of August, because I want to do some really nice things for the school down there, Ocho Rios Preporatory School, which y'all will see more of because I'm doing my best to be more present on social media so that I can get more followers to help me do what I'm doing, because it takes a village, okay? With that sun, it always catches me just right. And I have to make my videos a little short because they take so long to download onto YouTube. But I just have to learn to squeeze my content in. Okay? One of my favorite barbecue spots to eat. It's called Showcase. Okay, I ate there today. The line is short. I'm tempted to get back in line. But I'm about to go in the house and watch this movie, this new movie. I can't remember the name of it. But I'll get back to that later. Netflix movie. Scary relationship movie. Love those kind of movies. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm just taking me a walk. Everybody waving. Oh, look at the babies. How y'all doing? Kids are so mean, did why the kids so mean? Okay. Time for me to get in the house. And I just want to stop and say hello. Give a quick shout out to everyone. Because I need to be more present. Look at my hair. I'm loving the color. Oh my God. I never let it get this bright, bright, bright. But remember, God loves you and I love you. Peace.